Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ankr daily update. We are going to see the next price targets. And of course, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, BuyMeACoffee/MindYourCrypto, or BillMindYourCrypto.com. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. Scalping trading strategy to recover your losses. Personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, pine scripts for TradingView, live trading, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to Ankr. Okay, we are going to see the risk metrics, and after we are going to see the next price targets, but risk metrics are very important. I will explain why. Because right now we are above the 50-day exponential moving average. We are on the 4-hour frame. Okay, this means that every candlestick right here contains 4 hours of price action. And when we are looking at the 4-hour frame, we are looking for the short term, for the next 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and so on. Okay, not more than 1 week. So what do we have right now? We are above the red line, the 50-day exponential moving average. Usually when we go above the 50-day MA, when we have a correction going on and an extreme bearish market like Ankr's or any other altcoin right here in the crypto space, except the altcoins that pumped up very fast. Okay, so right now we have an extreme bearish market, and what is logical right here is that once we get above the 50-day and the 20-day MA, we usually have a little bit of a sideways action or a correction or a sell-off, okay, or a sell-off going further down. We need to see how Ankr will correspond to the high risk that we have on the 4-hour frame. That means an overbought situation with the commodity channel index. It is above the 100, and now we want to see how Ankr will correspond to this price action right here, to this, risk that we have with the commodity channel index of it being above the 100. When you get that risk, you usually do not want the price to go all the way down as the commodity channel index will go into an oversold situation, but instead what you want to see is a correction, a little bit of a correction like this, and then we go up again. This will mean that probably we are on an impulse wave mode on the 4-hour frame, and we might be getting even higher. However, right now we should be careful. We have the Fisher transform into an overbought, the commodity channel index as well into an overbought, and the stochastic RSI into an overbought as well. Okay, I'm going to give the targets in just a few minutes, do not worry about that. But first of all, let's go to the daily frame to see the risk there. There we can grow even more. Potentially, you can see that on the daily frame, we do not hold a significant risk. But in overall, we have a lower high, lower low pattern on the RSI. What we want to see right now is for Ankr against USDT to see the RSI exploding above the 70. This will mean that we can go even higher on the daily frame. And of course, the stochastic RSI to go above the 80. But also the price to follow. Okay, a very strong resistance level is at the 20-day MA. We're going to discuss about that. Let's go to Ankr against Bitcoin chart. Here, what did I do is that I have drawn a Fibonacci extension from the bottom on 28 October, back to the top on 28 November, 27, back to the bottom on 22nd January. And now I want to see major resistance levels in case we go above the 50-day exponential moving average, which is the resistance level. As you can see right here, this red line is our resistance level. That's why we find a little bit of a sell pressure right here. Okay, but if we can go above, then we could go to the 0.50228 and maybe the 0.50265. This will mean that Ankr will be exploding in USDT as well, but we have to be careful and we have to see how this price action will go. If we are able to go easily above the 50-day exponential moving average, then we can go towards the next price targets. But if we cannot, then we will be staying and correcting a little bit right here. On the 4-hour frame, you can see that we are way above the 50-day EMA, but we also have a very high risk and we need to see how it will react. The most likely is that we go down, okay, and we have a correction from this bottom right here up to this top, and then we go down into the first support level, maybe the second one as well. but we are going to see about that. We hope that it won't correct so much going back down into the 0.5. Anyway, let's go to the price targets for Ankr against USDT. We are going towards the 4-hour frame, okay? And what we are going to do is to draw our Fibonacci retracement from the top before this crash right here, okay? So we are going from the top on 20 January to the bottom on 22nd. And you can see that we had a double bottom pattern. We went upwards, breaking this high right here, going all the way up until the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, found a sell pressure, and now if we close above the 0.618, we are going to the 0.08239 cents. So we could get there, around there, okay? So we could possibly be getting there, and if we close above even the 0.786, then we can go to the 0.09676. But for now on, we have to be careful and we have to see to observe the market. Right now, Bitcoin is unstable, okay? Because despite the good news that we had from 26th January, we didn't manage actually to go even higher. We had a fake out in the 15-minute mark and then we just collapsed, okay? So right now, as long as Bitcoin has an uptrend, of course, it will drag upwards Ankr against USDT, but at the same time, Ankr against Bitcoin is about to correct, okay, because we have a very high risk with the RSI, with the commodity channel index, stochastic RSI, Fisher transform as well, and therefore this won't be helping so much Ankr into going to the next price targets. Of course, some interesting support levels if we fail to go up higher will be the 0.071. Okay, and of course afterwards I think it will be the 0.068. At this support level, we want to see if we are going to have a buying pressure. If we are going to have, a buying pressure, then we can go even higher to the 0.081 for Ankr. Okay, so what do we want to see now? Now that we have the high risk, we want to see it correcting, but just a little bit, pumping up between those two support levels, going up higher to the 0.08, 83, 86, and so on, 88, till the 0.09. Can we make it? Yes, on the daily frame. We do not have a very high risk, but at the end of the day, we have one more very huge resistance level sitting at the 0.08, which is the 20-day exponential moving average on the daily frame. So if we go near here, then we are going to see how it will react towards this target right there that we have with Ankr. Thank you so much. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/mindyourcrypto, buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto, or buildmindyourcrypto.com. You will get amazing profits, you will get amazing benefits, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.